Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to wire these fire alarm sounders or beacons. They're connected to 27 volts with 3 9-volt batteries connected in series. So first, you'll need a cool point. Make sure the terminal is on 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you can see my Folion Roshni sounder is being connected. You need to connect the brown into common and the blue into VDC1 or VDC2. Like the Solistar Maxi beacons, you need to connect to the positive supply and the negative supply. Make sure you set them into a low current. If you connect my flash needs right there, so the Roshni Solistar beacon, and you need to connect them to VDC1 and put the common in the positive. The blue is for VDC, so the brown is the positive supply and the blue is the negative supply. This is my flash need 24 volt DC version, the 24 VDC. If you're using like 3 9-volt batteries or the alkaline or even rechargeable batteries, like the Energizer ones we've bought from Amazon. If you connect the flash knee to there, in the Xenon sounder beacon, connect the brown to positive and the blue to the return. So, like I said, you know ChatGPT has a suggestion, but you can only use one of these right there. But like I said, you know, the Xenon beacons will have weak flashes, so it has got high current. The range is like 110 milliamps. So the batteries will have to drain much quicker. I recommended to use the two 12-volt sealed acid batteries connected in series. It's just like a practice installation of the fire alarm system. And by the end of here, you can see a Roshni Solistar beacon. You know, ChatGPT recommends you to use one of these. And of course, so now all you have to do is to test them to make sure it works. But I'll see you there. So first, you'll need to use a multimeter to measure the voltage. But you need to stack 3 9-volt rechargeable nickel metal batteries in series. And then turn the multimeter on. But I'll measure the voltage, what it's like, before connecting them. Currently, it's like 27.0 volts. That's okay. You know you don't need to charge them just yet. So then you need to connect these connectors here. Connect battery 1. Connect battery 2. And then connect battery number 3. And once the battery's all connected, test it. As you see, it is all working fine right now. QC, electricity is just flowing like water. And 3 9-volt batteries are connected to series, which it makes 27 volts. as you can see, you know, my fire alarm sounders are connected, and you can see we have got 6 connected. As you can see, the example is in the tone 3 setting. You can always change the tones if you want to.